Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book PIA ticket on FlyFast ID. First of all, select your sector, from which sector you want to travel. I have selected Islamabad to Alan on the prescribed date of 13th September. Then click on the search option. Here you can see different type of tickets, different types of flights, PIA, Emirates, and other. I have selected PIA on 13th of December. Here you can put detail of the passenger according to the passport record, first name, last name of the passenger, passport expiry date, date of birth of the passenger according to the passport record, and lastly the passport number. Now click on the reservation tab here. Now you can hold your PNR and then you can proceed it for purchasing. Now you have hold your PNR. You can check the detail of the ticket, from which sector you have selected and which sector you want to go, and the prescribed date according to the desired of the passenger. Should check all the credentials according to the passport, then go for live issuance. Now click on the agent menu tab. Here you can select your flight booking. Here you can see the detail of your book as well as confirmed ticket. You can check the detail of your ticket here. Now click on the view tab. And then click on the live issuance of your ticket, and in this way you can issue your ticket. Here you can see the issued ticket in your email, as well as you can print it from the main website of Pakistan International Airlines. Click on the My Booking tab. Here you should put your PNR and last name of the passenger. Then click on the My Booking tab. Here you can see View Booking option in blue tab. Then click on the tab. Here you can see the your ticket, and now you can download your ticket into your PC for WhatsApp as well as for your email, and then you can print your ticket here. Here you can print your ticket. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, like the video. Thank you.